I don't know. It'd be kind of funny to try and then replace it.
Okay.
Be like, oh, yeah, I had to scrap that.
What's up? Really special episode. I got some friends, some guests. There's Janessa, Barry sleeping in the back. There's Lex. We were accompanied by a torrential storm, no big deal, but we're going to be going to a yurt. It's going to be a fun time. You'll see it in just a bit.
I don't know, there's a lot of stuff.
There it is!
Oh, right here?
There it is on the right!
Oh my god. I thought you were freaking I thought you were saying that there was something cool coming up. Not like yurt was right here.
It's yurt on the right!
Adventures. Legit.
So behind me is where we're going to be staying for 3 days with a group of friends. I really want to show you the interior because it's a super cool place. We're at Minaki Yurt Adventures. So yeah, if you follow me, we can go check it out. Let's take a tour of this yurt, shall we? Before we get to that side of the yurt, or before we go to the kitchen, we'll go to the back rooms. Taking a quick look at the main entrance living room, there's a piano, a fire pit, and a couch that's big enough for somebody to sleep on. And there's my dog Diego. So walking down this hallway, if we go to our left, there's a bathroom. Very exciting stuff. Out of the 4 washrooms in the yurt, this is the only one with a shower, which is not bad because the one upstairs has a bath. Directly across the hall is one of the 2 bedrooms on this side of the yurt. And we'll take a look at that. Yeah, sorry about the messy bed. I should have made it, but I couldn't be bothered. When you step out and go to the right at the end of this hall, you'll get to this bedroom. And this is the bedroom that I usually like to sleep in. Whenever I stay here, I usually like to claim this room because it's on the side of the yurt that has lots of shade, so in the summertime it's nice and cool. This is a view of outside the window. Those are the 2 bedrooms and the washroom on this side of the building, so we're gonna go look at the kitchen that's in the center of the yurt. So when there's 9 of us, usually there's a lot of people in the morning that are trying to make breakfast, so what we would do is just delegate 1 or 2 people to make breakfast for everybody. But it's nice because when you look to the right, it's almost like an island that opens up and you can see the dining room. Speaking of that, we'll go look at the dining room now. But before that, let's check out the washroom. Because washrooms are the best part of any building. There's a chair and there's a toilet. And there's a chandelier. All good washrooms have a nice chandelier. Walking right out, directly to the left, there's another washroom that is mirrored. Also, why is there a chair in front of the toilet in each bathroom? Like, are you supposed to have a conversation with somebody when they use the washroom? They're in both washrooms. I mean, I guess it looks nice. It just looks kind of funny. Anyways, these are the dining room tables. And we'll take a look at the back. Right there, the door in front of you is the one that goes to the porch. And to the right are the stairs that go to the 2nd floor. Looking to the left, there's a computer desk. And to the right of it are a lot of board games which are available to play. Pretty fun stuff. Okay, let's check out the porch now. Yeah, this back deck is like really neat. There's a barbecue, a lot of seating areas. I'm just taking a quick look at the side of the yurt here on each side. But yeah, it's really nice. There's an outdoor shower as well in case you like want to shower outside for some reason. There's a back fire pit. More seating areas here beside the barbecue, and then that's a view of the back of the yurt. Okay, now that we've seen that, we can get ready to go upstairs and check out the 2nd floor. I'll see like that shot of me walking up the stairs. I'm trying to make this a more cinematic and fun experience to watch, you know what I mean? Anyways, this is the second living room or third living room. Yeah, there's 3 living rooms here. This is the third living room on the second floor. And around it are a bunch of rooms to sleep in. There's a TV. Here's that bathroom I was talking about with the bath and another toilet, extra towels, and not as good of a chandelier kind of thing, but you know, I'll take what I can get. Here's a look at the back windows from the second floor. Really cool stuff. Okay, let's check out some of the rooms now. Oh yeah, sometimes we set up a PS4, Nintendo Switch, play Mario Kart. It's just a really nice place to hang out. Okay, here's a quick look at this room here. There's 2 beds in here. One's a single bed. So if any one of your mates are single, you just huck them on there. Here's just the outside view of the window. And there is for your towels. There's a fan there and a clock if you need to tell the time, you know. And there's another bed. Walking out. Just to the left of the staircase is another bedroom, and it's just about the same size as the one downstairs. It has a queen mattress or double or whatever. That pretty much covers the second floor of the yurt. Has the 2 rooms, the bathroom, and then that living room. Yeah, really, really nice place to hang out. And that will close off the tour of this yurt. You can enjoy this really cool shot of me walking downstairs. Thanks, Janessa, for that. If you notice, I actually didn't go on the top floor of the yurt, the one that's right there, and that's because, well, I just forgot to film it. But that's okay, because if you ever go there, you can go see yourself. It's kind of a big mystery at this point. It's just a room. I mean, I should have filmed it, but what can you do? Okay, leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you really, 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 really liked it, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.